Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shamik Sajwani and you are watching Upskill Yourself. In today's video, we're going to do a laptop review. This is the HP Spectre x360 2020. This is the 15-inch model and it is highly spec'd up. I'm excited to share my reviews with you all, so stick to the end and watch the entire video. Also like the video if you find it informative, comment and share as it really helps me a lot, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So starting with the unboxing of the laptop, this is the box you will be presented with when you purchase the laptop, and as you remove the lid you'll see the laptop sits on the top, and we're going to remove the laptop for now and look at the other components in the box. So with the box you'll get a charging cable, a pouch or sleeve for the laptop itself, and a pen as it is a touch screen and also pen supported. So the charging cable is a barrel plug, and although I was expecting to see a USB Type-C port as it would be common to see in 2020, but it is what it is. The pouch is very comfortable and can support the laptop easily. It also has a slot for the pen, so you don't need to worry about losing the pen after a few months. Well, talking about the pen, it is a very sensitive pen and works very smoothly on the surface of the laptop. It does come with the Type-C to Type-C cable to charge it, and it has two buttons on it. The battery life of the pen depends on your use case, but for a regular user who uses the pen on a daily basis, it can last about a week or less. Moving on to the laptop for which we all are here. This laptop passes the one-hand test, which is a plus in my books. Because of the SSD in the laptop, this boots up very quickly, and it has a fingerprint sensor for added security, and also supports Windows Hello, so you can use the webcam for face unlock. So this unit is running Intel i7 10th gen processor with 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of super fast SSD. This is a performance beast, and this coupled with the GPU NVIDIA 1650 Ti Max-Q makes it so much smoother and amazing to use. It can perform very well under high pressures, and gaming on this is so much better combined with the screen because it churns out decent frame rates constantly. Being on the topic of screen, let's talk about it. This has impressed me a lot because it is a 4K OLED touchscreen panel, which is super color accurate. It has 100% sRGB color accuracy. The colors are rich and vivid, and also the bells are very thin, which makes media consumption on this device super amazing. This is perfect for a person who does a lot of video editing and photo editing because they require color accuracy in the screen. You'll also love and enjoy watching movies and videos on this laptop and also playing games. Moving on to the ports on the left has a headphone jack, HDMI port, and a power plug port, and on one of the angle side there is the power button. And moving on to the right side, it has a micro SD card slot and a kill switch for the webcam. It has one USB Type A port and two USB Type Cs. One is on the right angle side, and the angle design is actually quite amazing because it is a unique design, and I believe it is a good spot to put plugs over there because it doesn't bother and it doesn't come in way, and the design aesthetics are really pleasing and the colors look also amazing. So this is a 2-in-1 laptop, which means you can flip the screen completely at 360 and can use it in different modes. So you can either use it as a clamshell regular laptop, or you can turn it into a tablet mode, or you could use it in a tent mode. Either way, it works amazingly and you'll enjoy the experience. So the speakers are really amazing because they are top firing and also bottom firing. So whether you are in a tent mode position or using another clamshell, you are going to hear crisp and clear sound because these are tuned by Bang & Olufsen. So these are very amazing, and it was very smart move to put it on the top row because being front firing is going to make it more clearer. And the webcam is a 720p webcam, which is not the best but gets the job done. The keyboard layout is actually amazing because being so thin and light, it is able to house a full 100% keyboard with the number pad, and the keys doesn't look all cramped up. They are decently spaced, and the key travel is also decent enough. The keyboard also has 3 levels of backlight. This is amazing for a student who uses laptop more in the nighttime in the dark areas. This laptop is an amazing product by HP. It works amazingly, it has great specs and can last you for a good amount of years. The design is the most favorite part of mine because it is a unique design and they have tried to do this and they have managed successfully doing it. And being a 15-inch, the screen is actually very big with thin bezels, clear screen, 100% color accurate. It makes the experience much more richer and much more better. So I believe this is an amazing product, and if you are in the market looking for this product and if you have your eyes on it, I would definitely recommend going for it and purchasing it because it will last you a good years and you're going to be happy with the experience. You can also look at the Dell XPS lineup. These two laptops are equally comparable. They're targeting the same audience. So if you want to look at that as well, you can. And that's it for me today. If you're still watching, thank you very much. It really means a lot. And if you like the video, please drop a like to it. Comment what you like the most about it. Share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye bye.